All right. I forgot I made my money this morning and then I turned on Zoom and I didn't record my video. But this is Jamie. Hey Jamie, how you doing, girl? Good job. This is the market. I just want to show the chart. Today is Monday, November 18th, Maya's birthday. Birthday girl. Um, and I want to record my journal. So I want to look at this chart and just get the lay of the land. I would like to see that with the Fibonacci retracement on Friday, price drop down to the 702 on the Fibonacci, which is a strong level of support. Anytime you get price go between 618 and 702 on the Fibonacci, you can look for a reversal or a retracement. So we hit that on Friday. So then when we open up the day today, my thought was that because this candle closed below the low of this candle, that when this candle opens, it would take out previous day low. But with the understanding that this hit a strong level of support here, it's not surprising at this point in the day that it did not take out previous day low. If I put a Fibonacci on this, it looks like it might have went to 25% of the wick. Let me do this, which can be a draw on liquidity. Let me just do this for my recruiting. So if I was watching this and I saw that, oh, it couldn't even get down to 50%, then maybe when it started to give bullish signals, then I would be like, okay, let's go. So I got out of bed at 5 o'clock this morning. My anticipation was to look for this 8:30 strategy that ICT talks about, where you mark the 15-minute highs and lows, wait for liquidity to be taken on one side, and then look for price to go to the other side. In this particular case, um, I saw that we had accumulation and that this was manipulation down. So there was one trade that I took where I got a little ahead of the distribution, and I got in here on I think this order block, and I got stopped out. But then when I was like, okay, it wants to go a little bit lower, I put my order at 50% of this fair value gap. And oh, excuse me. And then it tagged me in and I got tagged out somewhere around here, and I had made my additional $1,000 and I was done for the day and I went back to bed. Beautiful, beautiful day. So then when I was looking at this, I know that we had our session highs up here to target, London high and also Asian high. So I have those marked with horizontal lines. We also have midnight open as a draw. So if I was not done for the day here, then I could be looking for a setup because we had AMD to go up to at least midnight open. So when I was looking at this, I was like, where are some entries? So in Sunday study group, I made a post, and this is it right here. We created a low. That's where I got in and got stopped out. This is the fair value gap where I got tagged in, got tagged down here. I'll show my journal. And then this was the setup to take the BPR, get paid like Patty, 25 points, gave you another setup with a unicorn model, boom, 25 points. You're done for the day. Like that was two easy trades, two contracts, each entry, $2,000. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. In my journal, let's see. Journal Hub, this. These were my entries here, where I tried to get in on this order block up in here, couldn't get in, switched sides, and then just made my money. I made a whole $1,400. Um, and I think that's all I want to show. After we had this retracement down here, this was my setup as well, When I know the draw on liquidity is higher, I can wait for my 50% retracement. I got it here. It actually came down for an OTE, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Came down to the 716, looks like it came right back into this. Oh, missed the BPR. Okay. So the BPR did not get hit, but then the question would be when price starts to move its way up, what's my entry? So this is the kind of entry that I was trying to take over here, getting in on an order block. So would I have been aggressive in taking that? I don't know. Here's a breaker right here, a low, a high, a lower low, and price came back into that candle here. But then we have, that's like a bootleg breaker. This is a better breaker. You got a low, a high, a lower low, and price came to the breaker. We have it marked. It's kind of hard to see. This right here is a 5-minute fair value gap. So once I remove this, we're going to see that all this price action happened in this 5-minute inversion fair value gap. So I'll move this over here. And then we can see here that price came down and bounced out the breaker right here with the fair value gap and, went up to the draw for the at least for the morning session to midnight open and then right back down to midnight open. So I'm happy with my performance today. I'm happy that I walked away. I made my money. I feel really good. And then I just want to look at this to see. It really didn't give any entry for that sell-off. Let's see. Not even on the 30-second chart, which is okay. Which is okay. Now it's lunchtime and it's starting to chop. We'll see at the end of the day if it ends up selling off. And I'm complete. I'm complete. I feel good. Congratulations, Jamie. Keep up the good work. Just do another day like this and another day, make a couple $100. And then we got our funded account and it's rock and roll time. Love you so much. Have a nice day.